Drivbuds are marketed as wireless earbuds that promise clear audio, comfortable all-day wear, and convenient features at an affordable price. The marketing makes them look like a premium alternative to more expensive brands. But the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, budget wireless earbuds have improved significantly in recent years, and many offer solid performance for everyday listening. What it does well: affordable pricing. Drivbuds typically cost much less than premium wireless earbuds. Wireless convenience. They offer cable-free listening for music, calls, and podcasts, where the hype falls apart. Sound quality may not match premium brands. Bass, clarity, and noise isolation are often more limited than higher-end earbuds. Battery life varies. Real-world battery performance depends on volume, usage, and battery health over time. Microphone quality can be inconsistent. Call quality may be acceptable in quiet environments, but less impressive in noisy locations. So, should you buy Drivbuds? Short answer: yes, if you're looking for affordable wireless earbuds. If you want a budget-friendly pair for everyday listening, they may be worth considering. But don't expect the same performance as flagship earbuds costing several times more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.